Welcome back, students. Today we are going to start n-step transition probability. N-step transition probability. Okay. This n-step transition probability, it can be here n, m, any step. M step का मतलब है कि generally I am telling this thing to you. तो n step transition probability देखो, in last video I told you what is the transition probability pjk. Okay, it is the transition probability from state j to state k. Okay, if it happens in two successive trials, then this transition probability pjk is called one step transition probability or unit step transition probability. Okay, here one step and m step transition probability we are doing. So if this pjk from state j to k, if I reached in one step, that is called one step transition probabilities, and if from state j to from state k, for example say j, j1, j2, j3 up to so on, then k is coming. Suppose in between these two j and k we have n other states. So this, the probability that from state j to state k is called n step transition probabilities. Okay, here we are taking m steps, so it is called m step transition probability. This is the meaning of this thing. Now, while writing the probability, you know कि all the probabilities are always greater than or equal to 0. Now, pjk, probability that from state j I will move to state k. This probability is always greater than equal to 0. है ना? And the sum of these probabilities, sum of these pjk is always 1. We don't know, because this is the probability and we know that sum of all the probabilities is equal to 1. So this is the condition. Now transition matrix, how it look like? pjk. If I want to make a transition matrix, how I will make that matrix? See, p11, p12, first row first column, first row second column, p13 up to so on, p21 second row first column, p22 second row second column, p23 second row third column, and so on. So like this, if infinite random variable xn assume infinite value, then you will make it infinite matrix. Or if it is finite, say कि I am having only two states, 1 and 2 state. So what will be the matrix representation of this probability? It will be p11 की first state पे हो आप, you are at state 1 and you are still there. First step से first step पे जाने की transition probability. Second है first से सेकंड पे जाने की, थर्ड है सेकंड से फर्स्ट पे आने की, और फोर्थ है सेकंड से सेकंड पे जाने की. तो दिस इज द ट्रांजिशन प्रोबेबिलिटी मैट्रिक्स फॉर दिस स्टेट. ओके.